Do you know as women age, it's much easier for us to get osteoarthritis, and it can start at a very early age, sometimes as early as our 50s. And because I know a little about this, I have been protecting myself very well. I am now over 70 years old, and I have tried so many different brands, but I really trust Vital Nutritive, and I use it with complete confidence because it's safe and it's effective. So Vital Joint Support is my essential everyday go-to supplement. It's got really some great key ingredients like MSM, it has glucosamine and turmeric and hyaluronic acid. And all of these key ingredients are incredibly synergistic for joint flexibility, mobility, and reducing inflammation. Vital Joint Support slows down degeneration, and it keeps my joints lubricated, and it repairs my cartilage health. So seriously, don't wait. Try Vital Joint Support to repair your joints and to restore your cartilage and just start feeling good about being able to move freely again.